Here's a tutorial to help you with your sum and difference of trig functions homework. So the first question was from number 4, part B, which is trying to find out what angle would give sine theta times cos 12 plus cos theta times cos 78 equals root 3 over 2. So now this function, we're trying to match it up with one of the 4 equations. And the 4 equations have sine cos, cosine, or cos cos, and sine sine. None of them quite fit this image here. So I think the closest that we can get is sine cos plus cosine. So sine x cos y plus cos x sine y is the same as sine of x plus y. So we have this sine cos term here, but what we don't have is we don't have the second sine. So maybe we can change this one. So let's draw the triangle. If we draw a basic triangle that has a really small angle, 12 degrees, that's a 90-degree triangle, then this angle here is going to be 78, because 78 plus 12 is 90. So if we have cosine of 78, cosine of 78 is adjacent over hypotenuse. But if we did sine of 12, that is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of 12 is actually the same as cosine of 78. So now we can take our formula sine theta cos 12 plus cos theta sine 12 and solve when is this equal to root 3 over 2. So now it fits perfectly with this formula. We can change this to sine of theta plus 12 degrees equals root 3 over 2. And then we're going to figure out sine of what angle is root 3 over 2. So that means that y is the long side of a 1, 2, 3 triangle. So that would be 60 degrees, or pi over 3. So since 12 degrees is written in degrees, we'll write this as 60. And there's another option as well when sine is also positive in quadrant 2. All students, sine could also be positive over here. So we can also draw a 1, 2, root 3 triangle here, and that would be pi over 6, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi over 6 for 120 degrees. 30 more than 90. So that means that some angle plus 12 is 120, or some angle plus 12 is 60. So that would mean that either theta is 48 degrees or 108 degrees. Now for question 6.